Dorian.
And we are JD Cruising.
JD Cruising. We're going to share with you our whole travel week. We're going on the Carnival Mardi Gras next Saturday, June 11th. Today is Sunday, June 5th.
Maybe.
This week has been a blur. And we are heading out to Port Canaveral next Friday. We're going to fly in out of Chicago. We're in the Chicagoland area. Spend the night and then head over to Cape Canaveral to jump on the Mardi Gras. We're very excited. We have not cruised since last fall. So we've been cooped up in the Chicago winter. We notice a lot of you vloggers are in the Atlanta or Florida area. Very jealous because you don't have these winters. And you can drive to the port. So we had to give up our firstborn to fly for this flight. It's okay though. We'll be okay. We'll make a new one. We're very excited for this trip. We got a great deal. This is our second time cruising Carnival. Our first time, I play blackjack, she plays slots, and she was the queen of the slots. So we used our FVIP numbers to figure out who had the best discount. And of course, her discounts were a lot better than mine. A lot better. So
they were. I mean, I definitely gambled a lot, and my advice is also, depending on how long your trip is, do a little bit at a time because you can get carried away, especially because you can like put money on your card and just charge it to the room, which is, by the way, the best feature of a cruise. You're just like, just put it on the room, you know? And so my suggestion is just do like 30 minutes, an hour every day, because then if you win a little, then you feel better the next day. If you lose a whole lot in one sitting, you're like, I should probably just never do this again. But it helped us get really good discounts. Like our trip for both of us total was actually less than our airline tickets, if you can imagine that. So for a 7-day cruise. So that's my advice.
Yeah, the great thing about that is we booked with the casino promotion, first Carnival trip, so we had free drinks in the casino. The casino on the Carnival Panorama, we'll throw up some videos for that. Right down the hallway from the club, which is where we like to spend our time, so it was great to run over, get some free drinks, and then run back. But it meant that we got more casino promotions this time. So even if you don't gamble, I would suggest, taking a look at the casino promotions. They'll give you some free play. This time we booked with some onboard credits, which are great. So if you're looking for some advice, we'll throw in some quick tips here really fast. One, first-time cruisers, work with the travel agent. Email us. Website, emails below. Or if you are looking to do some independent shopping, use that Costco membership. CostcoTravel.com is awesome. If you're a member of a credit union, they probably have a travel site. Nice way to go there. And then always use the incognito windows and try. That's my thing. But research everything, right? Every trip, every cruise ship has a different vibe. Every cruise line has a different vibe. Some specialize in different things. Try out the new ships, try out the old ships, whatever you like, figure it out, what's going to work best for you. And one of the tools we use for that is Shipmate, the app. Put the link, I'll put right down there. It's great. Pictures, it's like its own little social media, so people load up pictures, reviews, people that are going to be on your boarding, so you can put on there when you're boarding, and then everyone kind of joins this roll call. And it's a really, really cool website and app where you can kind of really just go through and figure out what you're going to like on this ship, what you're not going to like about this ship. It talks about excursions. One good thing I like is it has really detailed ship maps, so we were able to pick rooms that were away from like the clubs and restaurants, things like that. So those are great, and we are super, super pumped again about this trip. We're gonna vlog all week, throw up some packing stuff, take you on this journey with us from Chicago to Orlando to Cape Canaveral, and then the Bahamas, Grand Turk, and
Dominican Republic.
The Dominican Republic. So we're very excited. Welcome to JD Cruising.